Welcome in and welcome back, because we are working on the radio for the 986 Boxster today, and we're going to do a couple things. One of them is redoing the speakers because, as you can tell, the speakers aren't there. The second thing is that we're going to install this stereo that we got from eBay for $22. Normally retails at $66, but there was a discount, so I got it. No more intro, let's get into it. First thing we need to do, get the radio out. What we need are these. Just stick them in here. Uh-oh. Because this doesn't want to come out doing this, we have to take these panels off and then pull it out from the backside. And because this is just a cup holder, it comes right out. Now we can pull it out a little bit. There we go. Then unplug all the wires. You ever look at a car part after you take it out and you go, oh wait, that makes sense why that doesn't work. This is one of those times. When you're done, to get these out, all you have to do is push these little tabs in. Comes right out. So now the question is, how do you wire all this up? Well, we're gonna hardwire it, and we're gonna use this diagram here. First thing we're gonna do is check to see that we're actually getting power to the radio. Ground on pin number 8, lead into pin number 4, which is the 12-volt battery. And we're getting 12 volts. So we're gonna do the same thing again, but go to pin number 7, which is the switch. And the switch is getting 12 volts. Cut out this ground, the 12 volt. Cut those out first. If you have strippers, if you have strippers, then I would highly suggest using them to get a cleaner cut out of them. If you do a lot of this work, get yourself some heavy duty crimpers, because honestly, it's just gonna save you a lot of headache. Now that that's all plugged in, we're gonna get this set up right. We have the yellow, which goes to the power, black that goes to the ground, and red that goes to the ignition. I'm using painter's tape just in case I need to take these apart. Makes it easier than electrical tape. Now that we got that plugged in, we are going to plug this in. It is on, it's just really hard to see. So see if there's an on button. There we go. Power on. So this has been absolutely annoying, to the point where I'm looking at this wiring diagram here, look at this diagram, and I am just flabbergasted. So I'm trying to do everything one by one and setting them directly into it, but it's coming out sounding terrible. I'm losing the bass, it cuts in and out. So what I did was I drew out the diagram so I had to look at my phone, and I'm just gonna put all the grounds from the radio into that one section. So they're all basically gonna splice together and see if that does any better. If not, I'm at a loss. So splicing them together seems to have done the trick. Now I'm gonna clean this all up and make it look pretty and not fall apart. So everything's back in. Well, the radio is back in. We're gonna see how well it does. And I'm gonna play some copyright-free music for it. Thank you for being around, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, check out one of my other videos if you haven't already. It's been a whirlwind of fun. See you in the next one.